So just pulled the oil drain plug off. Yeah, that's not good, man.
You had that the whole time? I just swore you go something else.
No, I had that when I bought that when I got out. Hey, buddy.
You all tangled, bro? Look at this chicken leg.
Second gen Dodge. Alright, so we got all this stuff off. Got the radiator out. Intake manifold. All of the heater shit.
See, the wonderful thing is,
Coolant, plumbing. Got all the fluids drained. Did the oil and the coolant. Next
my check engine
is gonna be trying to basically get the wire harness all to the right side. Once we get it to the right side, we gotta take apart the ignition stuff. Once we get all the ignition stuff and everything disconnected, then we can take the exhaust and the headers off. Then we gotta get the harness over there. Gotta take apart the AC. Yeah, we should be good to pull the motor from that point. Everything else is pretty much disconnected. We just gotta disconnect a few things here and there, and she should be ready to pull. It is the day after the clips you just saw were recorded. I'm going through editing the footage, and I forgot to record a lot of the stuff that we had going on because just trying to work as fast and efficiently as possible. But I did stop and try to record as much as I could. This second portion is going to be recorded on a separate day, and again, may or may not have a lot of footage, but trying to record as much as possible while also getting stuff done because there's a lot of things happening. Just trying to record where I can, but besides that, we're moving along. Thanks for watching again. Let's continue on. There's some stuff under that we need to take off. I probably should have put it on quarter ton, but
I'm straight up not having a good time, dude. Oh my god.
is it pissing?
Yo, I got a LS motor for the intake of my other LS motor. I got an engine turbocharging another engine.
All the water in it from like fucking good. Alright, so since I didn't record me taking off the other stuff and like undoing the harness and everything, now that the engine is out, I can show you kind of what I did. Also don't mind the transmission, it's just upside down. All I had to do was disconnect the harness from everything else, and then the stuff going down to the transmission, I just had to put off to the side. The AC, just had to have the bracket bolts taken out. I didn't have to empty it. It still has refrigerant in there. And then dropped the headers, dropped the exhaust, undid all the trans bolts, undid the engine mount. Some of this stuff was still connected when we were like craning it out. I mean, it was pretty straightforward. Definitely helped to have the intake manifold off. Yeah, and then the power steering was just this thing, and this one here. Those were for the power steering, but the power steering pump itself was able to stay on the engine. And then just random stuff like that. And then we had to do the flywheel bolts. The torque converter fell out. Obviously, something major happened here. Did you get squirted in the face with gas again?
Yeah, I'm honestly not very sure about how this got work.
All right, so now we got the engine in its new home. This is gonna be where we take her apart. So we're gonna have a good time doing that. And we had a bit of a leakage in the U-Haul getting it over here, but Benny. Hey, Benny. Hey, Benny. In the next episode, we're gonna go ahead and start taking her apart. Should be a fun time. So, catch us in the next one.